That snack you're about to eat? It might be the reason you're stuck in a body you no longer recognize. But what if I told you snacking could actually be your secret weapon? The right snacks can fire up your metabolism, keep you full, and accelerate your weight loss journey. Today, I'm sharing my favorite guilt-free, metabolism-loving snacks that help you shed pounds without feeling deprived. These snacks work your body, not against it. We're talking real food, real flavor, and real results. Let's get into these game-changing snacks that will have you burning fat while you chew. First up, Greek yogurt with berries, a protein powerhouse that keeps you full for hours. Choose plain Greek yogurt for less sugar and more protein, then top with antioxidant-rich berries for natural sweetness and fiber. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon to help stabilize blood sugar and curb cravings. It's a delicious, satisfying snack that supports your goals. Craving something crunchy? Try roasted chickpeas instead of chips. They're packed with fiber and plant-based protein, keeping you full and supporting gut health. Toss with olive oil and your favorite spices, paprika, garlic, cayenne, for endless flavor options. Make a batch for the week and always have a smart snack ready. For that sweet and salty fix, go for apple slices with natural peanut butter. Apples bring crunch, fiber, and vitamins, while peanut butter adds healthy fats and protein. Choose peanut butter with just peanuts and a little salt. No added sugars or oils. This combo keeps your energy steady and cravings at bay. Need something light and refreshing? Cucumber slices with hummus are perfect. Cucumbers hydrate and fill you up with minimal calories, while hummus adds protein and fiber. The healthy fats in hummus help you feel satisfied. It's a snack that feels indulgent but is actually working for your body. Busy day? Hard-boiled eggs are your portable, protein-packed solution. They're loaded with high-quality protein to keep you full and support muscle repair. Spice them up with hot sauce for flavor and a metabolism boost. Simple, satisfying, and perfect for on-the-go snacking. For healthy fats and crunch, try a rice cake topped with avocado. Rice cakes are low-calorie and the perfect base for creamy, nutrient-rich avocado. Avocado's healthy fats and fiber keep you full longer. Add seasoning for extra flavor and you've got a snack that feels indulgent but fits your goals. When your sweet tooth hits, reach for frozen grapes or banana slices. Freezing transforms their texture. Grapes become sorbet-like. Bananas turn creamy. They're naturally sweet, low-calorie, and satisfy dessert cravings without added sugar. Try frozen banana with a drizzle of dark chocolate for a smart treat. Cottage cheese with pineapple is a protein-packed snack that satisfies sweet and savory cravings. Cottage cheese delivers slow-digesting protein, while pineapple adds tangy sweetness and aids digestion. This combo keeps you full and supports muscle recovery. Don't knock it till you try it. Need pure protein? Turkey roll-ups are quick, low-carb, and versatile. Use lean turkey breast. Add a slice of cheese or veggies for extra flavor. They're perfect post-workout or as a hunger-busting snack. Simple, effective, and keeps you energized. Yes, you can have chocolate. Choose dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, for antioxidants and pair with almonds for healthy fats and protein. This combo satisfies cravings and provides sustained energy. Portion control is key. A small square and a handful of almonds is all you need. Snack smart and enjoy every bite. These snacks aren't just food. They're your lifeline to your goals. Every healthy choice is a step toward transformation. Progress, not perfection, is what matters. Save this list, try a couple of new snacks this week, and notice the difference in your energy and cravings. Small changes add up to big results. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more tips that work with your body. Comment below, which snack are you trying first? Share this with someone who needs a healthy snack swap. It could change their life.